Hello YouTube, this video we have a schlage mortise cylinder, and we're going to use the SC1 Lishi to pick and decode it, and then we'll use the HPC Blitz machine and cut a key. So we're going to insert the Lishi and zoom in here so you guys can hopefully see everything. Okay, looks pretty good. All right, put some tension on it, and I'm going to go through and just look for stuff binding. So one is springy. 2 springy, 3, 4 springy, 5. Okay, 5 is actually binding. Click on 5, go back to 1, 2, 3. Okay, 4 is binding. Click on 4. Okay, now 1's binding. Click on 1. Okay, 2 is binding. Click on 2, click on 3. I can check everything here because everything should be set, but something must not be. All right, 2. Okay, there we go. So now the lock is actually picked. So now we can actually go ahead and decode it. And to do that here, we're gonna, as you guys can see, oops, come on, focus here. All right, so I think that's gonna be in focus. Okay, so it looks like we got a 3, 1, 4, 6, and 3. So 3, 1, 4, 6, 3. And then we'll go ahead and run over to the Blitz machine here. But just take the camera with. Go ahead and take the Lishi out. And our Blitz machine is right over here. All right, get you locked in. And the bidding we had was 31463. We've already got a key chucked up in the machine here. And we'll go ahead and cut it. So 3, 1, 4, 6, and 3. All right. All right, so there's what our cut key looks like. And I can just bring the lock over here instead of dragging the camera back over there. So there's the lock that we just picked and test it out. Key works perfectly. So there's the SC1 Lishi making a key to a schlage mortise lock. Like always, if you have any questions or comments, put them in the comments, and maybe even like and maybe even subscribe. And really, I guess that's all we got for this video. We will talk to everybody later.